and welcome back to Meet Jemonica Eats. Tonight on the menu, we have a quick and easy spaghetti along with some garlic bread. And of course, I had to make one of my signature wonderful side salads to go with it. So let's get into this video. Here are the ingredients that you will need. Of course, you need your pasta sauce. I have some fresh onion and bell peppers cut up already. I have Italian sausage along with ground sirloin. I also have my pasta. These are the seasonings that I will be using. So let's get into this video. As you all can see, my water is already boiling for my spaghetti noodles, so I'm going to go ahead and add those in. And I like to break mine. You can, of course, leave them whole, but I like to break mine. And I boil my noodles for 10 minutes. I'm gonna add in my sirloin. If you guys make your spaghetti different than this, let me know in the comments what you do differently to your spaghetti. Now I'm going to add my seasonings in. I'm also going to add some garlic. Got to tell y'all I'm going to add some extra garlic. This is Italian seasoning. Now I'm going to get started on the salad. I have my husband and a salad. I also have his salad that I'm going to be fixing for work on tomorrow. Now, I know I add a lot of different things to the salad, but this is how we like our salads. And a lot of the time when I make us a salad to go with our meal, we eat our salad first and then we have majority of our meal left. So a lot of times our spaghetti will go into the refrigerator, because the salad really is a meal all by itself. And I usually fix us this salad and I just add some meat or either bacon and meat to my husband's salad. And this is a meal. So like I said, this is a meal in itself with the salad alone. But anyway, enjoy.
Ooh, baby, it's like the world is on our side. Nothing can bring me down tonight. And ooh, baby, when we're together, you and I, your touch sends chills down my spine. Alright, I got a brand new love you. Take me away, girl, to a new level. It's 7 on earth, on earth. I found an angel. I found an angel among us. Ooh, an angel. Found an angel. Ooh, baby, people would travel far and wide just to see how your halo shines so bright. Ooh, baby, did you fall from paradise? Wherever we go, I'm on cloud 9, so high. Yeah. I got a brand new love you. Take me away, girl, to a new level. It's 7 on earth, on earth. I found an angel among us. Ooh,
We hope you all enjoyed this quick and easy dinner, and we will catch you foodies later. Bye.